As a student at Southern City College Birmingham, you have access to our My College app, which is a portal to all the tools you need to help with your studies, along with benefits such as competitions and offers from our partner retailers. You can download the app for free from your device's app store, and in this video we'll show you how to access this directly from a smartphone. Before you can access the app though, you need to have logged into your college Microsoft 365 account and set up multi-factor authentication. We have a video which walks you through this process, so please make sure you watch this before attempting to access the My College app. The easiest way to find the My College app is to visit the college website at sccb.ac.uk and tap the menu icon, the three lines, in the top right of the page. Now select My College Links and scroll down to My College app. Then simply select the correct link depending on your own device. For this example, we're using an Android device, so we're going to select My College app for Android. This takes us to the Google Play Store, where we can tap to install the app on our device. If you're using an Apple device, the screens will look slightly different, but the process is the same. Once installed, you will see the option to open the app. If we tap this, it will load the app and bring us to the login page. At the login, click Azure AD login button. This should then take you to the college's own login page, where you will need to enter your student email address and your password. You should only need to do this once, as the app will store this information for you. When you have logged into the app, you will be presented with the home screen. Here you can view your timetable for the current day, and if you tap the See More link, it will show you the timetable for the coming months. So, if we jump forward a week or two, we can see exactly where we need to be on each day. And if we tap on one of the classes, it takes us to a page which gives us information about that class, including timings, tutor, and even a map with turn-by-turn directions. Back on the home screen, if we scroll down a little, we can tap the link for Study Route. Here we can view the various modules for our course and see where our exams and assignments are due. If we head back to the home screen and scroll right to the bottom, we can see various links for attendance, work experience, etc. Let's look at the link for Report a Safeguarding Concern. This link takes us to a forum where we can anonymously report any safeguarding concerns that we have. So, if you see or hear of anything that you feel may be a safeguarding issue, please report it here in the first instance, and try to provide as much detail as possible to help the safeguarding team with the matter. Although the form is anonymous, there is an option to leave an email address if you want to be contacted regarding the concern. Back at the Quick Links section of the home page, we can now take a look at the Letter Request option. If we tap this link, we are taken to a page where we can request a letter from the college. The drop-down menu offers us two options: a council tax letter and a confirmation of student status letter. You can use this service if you need to provide proof that you are a student studying at Southern City College Birmingham. If we head back to the home page, we can now take a look at some of the benefits available to students studying at SCCB. The icon in the bottom right of the page is the Explore icon. If we tap this, it opens up the Explore page, where, if we scroll down, we can find the Benefits section. These will be updated throughout the year with all the latest offers and competitions to enhance your student experience with us. So please be sure to check back on this page regularly. That's all we have to demonstrate to you today with the app. We hope you enjoy using it and enjoy your time as a student with us at Southern City College Birmingham.